We are developing an auto injector for emergencies. So, and this auto injector is specialized for small babies, less than 3 kilograms up to 4.5 kgs. So globally, at least 2.3 million newborn babies. So really the small ones, both premature and normal newborn babies are, so 2.3 million babies are dying every year. And when I say 2.3, it's not Africa or some underdeveloped countries. In Austria alone, at least 200 babies die every year, and mostly it's because they do not have access to the right medication at the right time. And if there are some emergencies when they are born, you have to act very fast. You have 2 to 3 minutes to act in this emergency. And imagine a situation where a baby is born and he needs some drug immediately to revive him from this emergency, life-threatening situation. If it was an adult, the first route to give an emergency drug is through a vein or directly into the bone, and bone is the fastest way. But oftentimes in babies, when we think about the emergency situations in babies, it's not possible to find their veins, because in emergency situations like shock or hypovolemia, the veins are collapsed. So doctors spend a lot of time in finding the veins so that they can inject the drug. It's a pity that they cannot use the bone as the route, as the first choice, because there are no devices on the market available yet to address this small population. It's a niche population. They are tiny, they are fragile, and they cannot be treated with the same tools that you use in adults. So we are closing this gap. We made a tool. It's an auto injector with a sensor that you apply on the bone, and it drills a small hole in the bone and it stops automatically in the bone marrow, so that the doctor can easily and as soon as possible deliver the emergency drug into the baby, and it reaches the heart within a few seconds. So this is what we are trying to do. Our goal is to, on the one hand, to enable the doctor or paramedic with the right tool at the right time to save the life, and also for the parents and the baby, that they do not have to suffer with this problem anymore. Because when a baby is born, you have hope, and a new life is starting, and just because of a lack of a tool or the right specific tool, if the doctor is not able to deliver the right treatment, it's a pity. And we are trying to close this gap and reduce the newborn death rate all over the world. Yeah, that's what we are trying to do. We founded our company last week, and our industrial partners are Otronic, who is the main industrial partner, and we have also some partners in Germany. They are producing our needles, SFM Medical. And we also have partners in Lithuania who are actually producing the outer casing of the device. And we have two pathways to the market. We first enter the animal market because it's the same problem with the small pets. It's also very common that the small pets and dogs, cats, they fall in emergency, and this tool would help the doctors a lot. So next year we try to enter the veterinary market, and as soon as we get the CE certification for human, let's say around 2027, we will enter the human market. Yeah.